We were looking to remove our old bathtub and put in a walk-in shower. As we're aging, we want somebody who is proficient, who's going to be reliable, dependable. We chose NEWPRO. When we saw the ad, they immediately got back to us. We didn't have to wait. We had called other dealers. NEWPRO set up the date. They came right out. When we were thinking about redoing the bathtub, our main concern was the access, and my main concern was cleaning it. I wanted something that was going to be easy to clean.
What we're doing today is a shower conversion. That seems to be our top seller. People get to a point in their life where they have difficulty climbing into a tub, and they find it a lot easier with an easy step, a small step. And today's job has a corner seat, grab bars, and a spa. So they're going to love it. It's going to be really comfortable for them and safe. It's very rewarding for me to be able to go and do that for people, and at the end of the day, show them how to use everything. And when I pull out of that driveway, I know that they've got themselves a beautiful, safe bathroom.
The experience has been incredibly wonderful. Efficient from the first phone call to them. They got back to us immediately. I would definitely recommend NEWPRO for the one-day bath installation. It's just sensational.